welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we rockin' the DuClaw. I want to start by giving a super huge shout out. Go Ravens. We watching football, so we drinking beer from Baltimore, representing, and then we're going to make a super awesome football snack. So I want to taste this. DuClaw hooked me up with this swag. Tom had before. This is called Apricot Stealing. Okay, this is an apricot sour double IPA, and I have not tried it yet. They sent me this. I'm so excited. This is my holiday gift from DuClaw. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, girl, that smells good. Oh my god. That is so fucking refreshing for a double IPA. I'm kind of blown right now. I'm not a super huge sour fan. Obviously a super huge IPA fan. Hello, my cat Ipa. But the balance between the sour and the apricot and the double IPA, all that bitterness combined. Oh, hold on, girl. I'm gonna tell you this right now. You need to check them out. I'm gonna put their link below. Okay, that's really good. Okay, sorry. I'm speechless. I'm actually really shocked at how good that was. I knew it was gonna be good because DuClaw fucking rocks, but okay. So we're making a vegan Buffalo Chikin Dip today to go with our apricot stealing beach. So we're going to get right on into this. I got out my little Crockpot for this recipe because we are watching the Ravens game tonight. So I wanted to make sure that I could keep my dip warm. But if you don't have a smaller Crockpot or you don't have a Crockpot or whatever, you can certainly do this on the stove. You can throw it in a little casserole dish, pop it in the oven. And if you can just fucking microwave it if you want. I don't give a fuck. You just have to heat it all together. That's moral of the story. So we're going to start with, okay, I'm going to tell you half of a red onion or purple bitch, because does that look red? Okay. Half of a red onion, but I'm going to use a whole one because I'm extra like that, girl. So we're going to throw that in the bottom because we want that to kind of get all browny and saute-y kind of deal, right? And then we're going to throw in a block of our Follow Your Heart vegan mozz, because y'all know I love Follow Your Heart so hard. They got the best cheeses. So normally, I would shred it in my pizza, but because we're just melting everything together in a crock pot, I'm just going to pull it apart. So while I'm pulling apart my mozz, go ahead and pull that finger right on up to that subscribe button and click that little bell notification. Make sure you get notified when I make more recipes. We're going to come in here with, again, you guessed it, some Follow Your Heart parm. But because some of these cheeses are pretty pricey, at least where I live, I'm only going to do half of this container. So this is a, hold on, girl, does it say 4-ounce container? And I'm going to do half of it. So we're just going to get in there. I'm going to save the other half for a little something special I got planned for you guys later. That's why I hit that subscribe button. Like I said, you didn't listen. You didn't lift up that finger, girl, and you did not push that button. Fuck me, that's funny. Okay, so now I'm going to go in here with a pack of vegan cream cheese, and we're going to use the whole entire container. This is an 8-ounce. I'm using Go Veggie simply because that's what I can find. If you have a better cream cheese you want to do, girl, you do you. But I will say that the Go Veggie cream cheese is legit AF for bagels and shit. A lot of the other vegan cream cheeses are fucking weird. And I do want to tell you too, you guys, let me get this out again. Where it says vegan, make sure it says vegan, because Go Veggie has a lactose-free line, which isn't vegan. So right here where it says vegan, it'll say lactose-free, and that's what you want to stay away from. Now, on top of that, we're going to bring in, oh my God, this blue cheese. Okay, let me tell you, this was the most pricey that we got. It's fucking pricey. So, okay, I'm only using half of it, but I'm going to tell you this right now. So it comes in this little sausage tubular form, and I'm going to only use half of it and save the rest for another recipe I'm going to share with you guys, because again, it was just expensive, and I'm trying to use that shit sparingly, girl. I do not have no fancy budget. And And then we're going to come in here with some garlic powder. You can do like half a teaspoon. I'm just guessing. Do a whole teaspoon. I don't know. You do you, but you do fresh. I don't give a fuck. And then we're going to come in here with, our chicken. Our vegan chicken. All right, look. Found it at the Walmart. So our vegan chicken Gardein, I got these chicken strips, okay? These are not marinated. They're just regular ass meatless chicken strips from Gardein. Now, if you can't find them and you can only find like, I don't know, like a vegan chicken patty or something like that, just fucking cut it up. Like, it's not that serious. Just get your flavors in there and you'll be okay. So right on top of that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of buffalo sauce. Fun fact, Frank's buffalo sauce is accidentally vegan. Normally, buffalo sauce has butter in it, but it's accidentally vegan, my friend. And then a 1/2 cup of vegan ranch. I like the Just Ranch personally. Again, a Walmart. Oh, that was the other thing, that fancy blue cheese I found at Wegmans. So I don't really know what to tell you if you can't find it. If you can't find it and you really are craving a blue cheese flavor, instead of doing the ranch, you can go ahead and do like, I know Follow Your Heart has a blue cheese dressing alternative that you can throw in there. So I'm actually just going to leave that all like that. And then I'm going to show you guys my fancy vegan watch from England that a beautiful, beautiful goddess Shelly sent me. I am absolutely in love, you guys. This is gorgeous. She can tell you where she got it. I don't know if they ship to America. I'm not really sure, but it is so beautiful and I love it so much. So I have this on hot and I'm going to pop my top on. I'm going to let this bitch hang out and start melting everything together. And then we're going to go back in and stir it all up. You guys, holy shit. Look at this. Oh, right now I put a little extra like vegan parm on top because like fuck it, right? So I'm excited to get into this and I am going to play with you right now. I took a picture with that chip and now it's all floppy tits. But I've already tried it and it's amazing. I gotta tell you, that blue cheese that was expensive is kind of worth every fucking penny because you get that pop of that real strong blue cheese flavor as if you're dipping a fucking wing in there, and then you get this like afterwards of this like heat, this like buffalo like tangy heat. Oh god, I can't stop eating this. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So another thing I wanted to tell you is if you can't find this chicken, girl, I'm slurring over everything. I'm so fucking between the fucking beer. Go Ravens, bitch. If you can't find this chicken at Walmart, you have a Walmart, you don't like fake meat replacements, like I get you. You can always do like a cauliflower or like a tofu chunks, like marinated in buffalo or something like that. So many different options. You don't have to exactly do that. So that's a huge tip for you. Also, if there are leftovers, which I'm actually going to save some purposefully because sometimes I do have leftovers, but like right now I'm probably going to eat it all. I'm going to show you what to do with the leftovers in the next video. So you want to hit that bell notification when you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget the full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com, and make sure that if you gain value from this video that you go to my PayPal and you donate to help support our channel, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. Thank you guys for joining me so much. I know it was a lot of ums and ahs because this shit fucking bomb. So make it and I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.